Guys, I'm going to show you a prime example of why you follow your rules and don't think. Been in this trade for a couple of days. This is pound Aussie. I got into it right here. You can see where I got in. And I got into it and it started going against me a little bit, but as long as my indicator doesn't flip to red, then I can stay long on this thing. Yesterday, it flipped red, but at the same time, look at this candle, right? I mean, it dropped down into my little sort of no man's land, but look at this candle. It says it's on its way back up again. It gapped down and then closed almost back out of it. Well, based on candle structure, based on things that have nothing to do with my trade plan, I should stay in this trade. But my rules say when my main indicator flips to the other color, I have to get out. So fine, I got out yesterday. Here's what happened today. It just kept going down and would have hit my stop loss had I still been in this trade. So I got out yesterday because my rules said to get out, and my rules are there for a reason. Don't overthink it. Follow your rules. Trade your plan regardless of what you may think. You spend all that time building the plan, you might as well follow it. So how about you guys? Have you ever been in this kind of a situation? Give me a note down in the comment if you have. And hey, watch this video here on why you should not think when you trade. We'll see you next time.